that shit till you blast off. Hey, yeah.
Hey y'all. She got a hair did. Hey, she got a hair did. Hey guys, it's your girl TinekeIman and I'm back with another video. Let's go. So if you see by the title, this was going to be a full face first impressions kind of video because I got a whole lot of new buys. We're gonna test them out. My Nars foundation is medium dark 2.3 in MOOREA, I think. So that is the Sheer Glow foundation. Itsmyrayeraye. I got her second palette because obviously the first palette I loved it. So we got the second palette. So we're gonna try that out. A Fenty Beauty bronzer. So my color in the bronzer is Caramel Cutie. So we got Caramel Cutie. It's falling apart. I've got some Fenty Beauty lipsticks, but I don't know if I'm going to wear that because I feel like I want to use my red stunner. And I've got the Hangover RX primer, 3-in-1 primer and setting spray if it wants to work. Precisely My Brow. I've got a new brow pencil. You know, I said I've been looking for a new one, so I've got a brow pencil. The girl spent some coinage. And she's going to spend some more because Fenty Beauty is coming to Boots. Like, Boots is around the corner. Like, if you don't know what Boots is in America, so in America Boots is like a drugstore. So it's coming to one of our drugstores because Fenty Beauty was only in like one shop over here, and it was in like a big department store up in London, and ain't no one traveling up there, so I only got it online. But now it's coming to one of our drugstores, so it's coming to Boots, which is everywhere. So Rihanna girl, you're gonna have me broke. Like, I'm gonna be in there every week. So, but let's get going. I did my first brow off camera just to see if it went okay, and it's actually, you know, I'm quite proud of it because I've been using my MAC fluid eyeliner gel for over 2 years now, and I've not used anything else because I tried like powders and pencils before and I didn't like them. But this is the Precisely My Brow pencil in shade number 5. Comes with a spoolie. So I'm just going to do my eyebrows like that. And I was going to use it just to outline, but I've actually managed to fill in the whole entire brow. So we're just going to draw a line. And then I was going to use a spoolie. Just to brush it all together. So that's my brows done. They kind of look, I don't really like that one. They kind of look okay. This one looks good. This one off camera. Doing it on camera is just so hard. But I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow. So I wasn't sure on what eyeshadow look to do. So I actually went on Ray Ray's YouTube channel and I went on one of her looks that she did with this palette. So basically just going to recreate that look. So she went in and used Brick and just putting it into my crease and just bring it up into my brow bone and kind of wing it out a bit. It applies nice and it blends well as well. And there's not that much kickback. There's not kickback on the palette. So once that's in the crease, and then just use like a dense flat brush and go in with Canary Yellow, and she just packed that onto the lid, just like that. See, look at that color. So that she just pack that onto the lid, and then I'm just gonna go in with Brick again, just to blend it out. So I'm getting a little bit of fallout. I didn't get that much on that side. It's not that much fallout. So you could do it after your foundation as well. And this is how I'm gonna come back to it. So I'm kind of like half done with my eyes. I'm gonna come back to the rest of my eyes after I've done it. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced primer. It's a spray. It's a bit weird. and just kind of rub it in. It smells alright. It's a bit sticky, but it's not really sticky. Don't know if that's because of my skincare beforehand as well. So we're gonna use my Nars. It's the Sheer Glow Foundation. It says shake well. So I'm gonna shake it first. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Just use a beauty blender. I'm just gonna go work it. I'm gonna build it up. I'm not gonna put too much first. I'm gonna build it up. Well, it's my color. You know, I picked the right color. So it's definitely giving me like that glowy sheer look. It is buildable. Like I could put more on it if I wanted more full coverage, but I don't really need that much, so you can really just, it is mid coverage to full. And as I'm using the Nars foundation, I'm going to use my Nars concealer. This is in medium dark 2.5 in chestnut. So this is a very bright under eye. It's a bit pink. I need to find another one. We will be baking to get some of this, to get some more yellow. Now I'm actually not going to contour because I want to use a bronzer, so I want a more like just more bronze look instead of a sharp chiseled look. So I'm just gonna set my face. So it's just to counterbalance that like lightness. Fenty and Caramel Cutie. This is the color. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to do this. So it's not giving me like a chiseled, but it's just like for a nice light beat. And I think I actually might use the same for my nose contour. So we're gonna finish my eyes. So we're gonna use, she used the Golden Girl. So it reminds me of Trophy Wife, but just not as yellow. But it's on like half of our lid into the inner corner. Like that. And again, we're still gonna come back to the eye. So for her under eye, she took the brick again. So just halfway with the brick. I think she took Golden Girl and just put the inner corner highlight down as well to make it blend. So it just opens the eye a little bit. And then using my Benefit Bad Girl Bang, do my bottom lashes. That's my lashes, you know. Can't see them from back here, but you can see them. They're just popping. So for my highlight, I'm going to go into Ray Ray's first palette. If I can open it. And I'm just going to use Radiant. There. Oh. That is nice. Just if you feel like you put too much, it's like a strip. I just use my beauty blender and just pat it in with my concealer side. I think Hot. So this is my Morphe blush palette in 8C Cool Pro, and I'm gonna use Hot. And I've been really wanting to do a red lip for ages. So my lip liner, I'm gonna go with the MYX Club Hopper. It's like a dark mauve, or mauve as Americans say. Now I'm going to use my Stunner lip paint, Edwell in Uncensored. And you know, I'm going to come back and give you my views and my thoughts after I find something to wear. Hey, so this is, you know, the finished look. Let's talk about precisely my brow. This is in the color 5, so I liked it. It wasn't as fast as, I think because I've used it for so long, I can do this so fast. Like, it took me a little while, you know, to make sure that was correct. I prefer this brow better than that brow, but that always happens. But I think it's okay. Like, I don't mind how it came out, but it's going to take some getting used to because I love my matte pomade. You can get this. This is a good buy. It's a good buy. It was Child, I can't remember. We have the new Itsmyrayeraye palette. So if you watched my previous video, I'll link it below. When I used the first palette, it was nice, so I did a re-up and got a new one. Now, but her first palette, I actually watched the video, it's being discontinued, so like it's not gonna be sold anymore. So I'm lucky that I got it before. But this one, I like it because like you can do, if you want, you can do like block colors. So you can use these four and make a look, these four make a look, these four make a look, this make a look, this will make a look, you know. I love how it's blocked out, so you can actually, the colors are kind of matched for you, you know. Thumbnail, little thumbnail moment. Really want to use Top Notch, this one, and Ray Ray did a nice purple look, which looks nice. And what else came up nice? I think Scarlet as well came out nice. So I really want to see how these work in a look. Fenty, you know, I was having Caramel Cutie. I think I might need to get Beige and Girl as well. I wasn't sure which one to get, but I got this one. And I like it because it's not too much, so I didn't have to contour. And it's not too harsh. It's just nice and subtle. But it didn't need to be sculpted all the time, be chiseled. So when you just want a nice cute look, because I'm just going out for some drinks with my girl, so don't need like a chiseled look. So yeah, Fenty Beauty. And that was it. I feel like I haven't done a makeup video in a little while, because I hope you're also enjoying my holiday vlogs. I've got, I think, two more I think I've got left to put out. You know, thank you if you have watched my Beyonce video and my dance. That's actually got my most views, well, the quickest views on the video. So yeah, that was just me playing around. I do like to dance. I am a dancer. Okay, I went to school for dance, but that was just me messing around and hopping on, you know, the challenge, the trend. If there's any more challenges, I'll put them on YouTube. I like to put them on Instagram, but I'll put them on YouTube, as you know, I got a couple of views on that and whatever. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're new, hey, why don't you subscribe? And next video right there, subscribe right there. Peace.